Hey soulmates, what's good? Paul from Taste Soul Good. So today I am saying hello from beautiful Kalibo in the Philippines. So I am currently at the Bakhawan Eco-Park. This is one of the largest mangrove restoration places in Southeast Asia. So I'm currently walking along this wonderful path. It's about 1 kilometer long, and it is a beautiful spot to see the restored mangrove. There's so many other things, and what I'm on the hunt for is called Tamilok. It is a woodworm, and you can get it straight out of the dead trees and eat it. It sounds amazing. So let's enjoy our little walk and then try to find a snack. So walking along this path is super peaceful. It's really pretty. The wind is blowing. The air is so fresh and so clean. There's a lot of locusts and birds chirping. So it's just super peaceful. There's almost nobody here. So this is located just outside of the airport in Kalibo, and it's the #1 place to see according to TripAdvisor. So it is well worth spending a little time and coming out here. I've come on a day where the weather's really nice. It's not too hot, but I've heard on other days it can get really scorching here. So do be aware of that. Definitely wear some comfortable walking shoes if you come here, because it is a lot of walking. But so far, I'm really enjoying it. And don't worry if 1 kilometer sounds like it might be too long. There are little resting areas along the way. So if you do decide to visit this eco park, which you should, then make sure you do wear comfortable shoes. Also bring something to drink. It does get pretty hot, and you're going to want to stay hydrated as you're walking. Also, there is an admission fee to enter. Now, I paid 120 pesos to come in. However, it depends on different things. I think if you're a kid or if you're a resident, it's a little bit less. However, as a foreign adult, I paid 120 pesos. So as you're walking, there are little signs that tell you how far you are. So I'm currently at the 800 meter mark, so almost there. So far, I've really enjoyed my time just walking, taking my time. If you go quickly, you could probably walk there like 10 minutes or so. However, I've taken a little bit longer as I'm just trying to enjoy how peaceful this is. Really enjoying this. So what I'm looking forward to is the Tamilok. So this is a woodworm or a shipworm. And there's only, I think, 2 places in the Philippines where you can eat this, and this park is one of them. The other one, I believe, is in Palawan. I could be mistaken about that. However, I have come here especially for this. I think it sounds so cool, and is an experience that you can't really get many places. So I think once we reach the end of this trail, we'll be able to see them harvested, and then you just eat it straight out of the wood. Oh, I am super excited to try this out, guys. So there's nothing more refreshing on a hot day, especially after walking through all the mangroves, than this. So a nice, fresh coconut. Oh, it's so refreshing. Just replacing all those electrolytes that you lose just sweating going through here. So this greets you at the end of the trail, and there's so many other things that you can eat while you're here. But to me, for 50 pesos, this is well worth it. This is the perfect drink. Nature has just put everything in one delicious shell here. Alright guys, so this is the Tamilok, so it's the dead piece of the tree. He's going to cut it open and then harvest the Tamilok. You guys all like it? Yeah, it's delicious. Oh, it's a big one.
Oh no.
Suka. Masarap.
Vinegars. It tastes like oyster.
Tastes like oyster?
Yeah.
Oysters don't look like that.
Yeah.
Oyster sauce.
Alright. Not gonna die?
Mananam rin. Mananam.
I want to eat more.
Alright, so we've got all the Tamilok here. They're washing it off and cleaning it up. And then you just eat it. So it's often called a woodworm or a shipworm, but it's actually not a worm at all. It's a mollusk, like an oyster or a clam. These people behind me said it tastes a lot like an oyster, so I'm a little nervous about this one. But they say it's delicious, so I'm going to trust them.
Yeah. It's the mouth.
It's the mouth.
It's taking off the mouth.
Yeah, it's intestine.
Okay.
Intestine. Intestine. Okay. Kasi siguro puro ano.
Do you eat this often?
Yeah.
You eat it often?
Akala ko kinakain talaga. Akala ko din yung buo mismo.
So he's currently removing the mouth and the intestine, so all the poop in it, and then I guess you dip it in vinegar and just eat it like one shot.
What a tag-brewing.
Masarap yung asin.
Yung asin.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, dun.
Kuha man daw sa ibang puno, sa ibang kahoy, sa bakaw man.
Some salt. I think it's a bad sign when none of them want to try eating it first. So that makes me even more scared. That's how it's done.
I like this.
Let's rice.
Come on, Freddy. Just one.
Oh.
Spaghetti, right?
Oh. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Alright, I think it's my turn. I think I came here for this, so gotta try it. Alright, so here is the fresh. Oh, it's so big. I don't want a big one. I want to start with a small one. Oh.
Some melon.
Yummy. Good for tummy. O, diba?
It's not bad. It tastes like oyster. A little spicy. It's really not bad. Try big one. Oh!
Like 3?
Not bad, right?
Was it like it's like an oyster?
One more. Like an oyster sauce.
One more.
Big. Lick.
Oh, crunchy. It tastes like vodka. It tastes like vodka. Thank you. Oh, this is not as bad as I expected. It's really chewy. That one had a little bit of crunchiness. I don't know if that's normal, but it tastes like that vinegar. It tastes almost like alcohol. I think it was a coconut vinegar that maybe fermented too much and turned into alcohol. But yeah, my fingers smell kind of like vodka. Oh, so I came all the way to Kalibo just to try this Tamilok. It was a fun experience. So definitely spend a little time and come here. So if you want, it's 300 pesos for the demonstration. But I think it's well worth it because it's an experience that I will never forget. And everybody here is really cool. So thanks to all my new friends.
Hi.
So what is best thing here?
Uga.
All gone. Oh, dried fish.
Dried fish.
Who are you guys? Are you students?
We are Great Pinas group.
We are the art group Young Artists.
Oh, wow, it's beautiful. Is that me? I think so. This one's noodle.
Fancy. For the
Can I-
long life.
Oh, I need a long life after the Tamilok. Can I try that one then?
Bulalu.
Thank you. Who cooked this? You made it?
Yeah.
Not poisonous?
No.
Just for me? Thank you. What's in it? Can you tell me what's in it?
Pansit.
I know, but
Pansit.
noodles.
A chicken and
Yeah,
mixed
carrots.
vegetable.
Ooh, okay. All right, so they're all so nice and lovely. They've prepared this wonderful food. This is pansit. It's noodles and chicken and vegetables. And the girl over there prepared it all by herself. She promises me it's really delicious, so I can't wait to try it out. Mmm. Much better than Tamilok. Yeah. Oh, it's really delicious. So the noodles are kind of like japchae in Korea. Mmm. It's got a lot of good flavor. Maybe some garlic. And there's chicken. Ooh, she makes some really good food. Yum. Whoa. It was worth coming here. The Tamilok was interesting. This pansit is really delicious. Ooh, yum. Alright, so that was such a fun experience. The Tamilok itself, I was pretty scared at first, but surprisingly it looked much worse than it tasted. It didn't taste bad at all, and it was just a wonderful thing to try. And I want to give a big shout out to all my friends that I met back there. They're all wonderful. They hooked me up with that wonderful food. I really enjoyed it, and I really enjoyed meeting all of them. And like I said, everybody here in this city has been super kind. Alright, so I'm going to end this video here. If you liked it, go ahead and do me a favor, give me a big thumbs up. I have more travel videos here in the city of Kalibo, and then I'm going to be moving on to this island of Boracay, so you'll definitely want to check those out as well. So make sure you click that subscribe button and share this video. Alright, until next time, have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.